If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And it seems like we do have a small pump to the upside with getting maybe some people excited, but I'm not excited at all, because for me pumps like this doesn't mean anything, doesn't have any weight, doesn't have any value. End of story. These are not things that I like. And if you paid attention to yesterday's update, when we talk about the Bitcoin update, I told you that this is a very weak retest. Okay, I told you that this is not a very good retest. They could actually pump it up to take the stop losses here. Okay, this is a very, very bad retest. A better stop loss is actually at 24,604. This is where I think perhaps you can say a good stop loss, and the best stop loss is actually somewhere up to $25,400. This is where I will even say that, hey, Bitcoin, is probably going to flip to the upside. Now, at the moment, there's one thing, of course, that I'm going to tell you, and the technical target is still down to $22,300, because this is where you had this little bit of a pattern going on here. And from there, you're looking for this move to the downside. All you did is right now went for the first retest, second retest getting rejected. In 5 minutes, you have the 4-hour candlestick, and this is going to turn into a shooting star. And shooting stars are meant to be reversal candles to go to the downside. I don't know if they're going to do another stop loss like this and then go down. That's something different. Candlesticks are very easy to make stop losses as well, so that's something you're going to pay attention to. However, my game plan remains very simple, and I'm going to simplify things for you, because that's what I do in the channel, and is to bring in the RSI. Very simple game plan. RSI has a bearish divergence. Let the bearish divergence cool down, let it play out. Whether the market pumps, for me personally, whether it pumps or not, doesn't matter. I do have some long-term holding coins, so if the market is pumping, I'm gonna be good with it. And then when it comes down to the trading fund that I have, like that small part of my money where I'm going to be trading in, that's going to be on hold for a while, because I need a clear, get this shit out of the way. You know what I'm talking about. Excuse me for the language. And so from here, another thing is that I would even expect, this February or March to be, actually March, this is the first month of March, by the way, and March, I can expect March to be a little bit boring, because you do have time until 21 of March. So maybe even the first 2 weeks can actually be pretty much sideways like this until you don't reach the apex here, and finally decide if you do want to go up to the moon or break down. But then again, RSI divergence, let it play out, let it slip out of the way. It's a pretty simple phenomenon right now. So many bullish patterns, so many bearish patterns. As I told you, from the past 2-3 days, it's anybody's game. It's either the bulls or the bears. I really don't know. But right now, it seems like somewhere down the road, the bears are going to, tickle the bulls a little bit. They're going to tease the bulls for a little bit, because this divergence is going to play out somewhere down the road, I'm pretty sure. And that's it for this update right now on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.